welcome to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can solve the Facebook login code problem. So before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further videos on this device. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, here it is shown that the login code problem isn't being received on my phone number that I had previously entered while logging in into the Facebook. So to solve this problem, you just need to go back and go to the phone setting. Here you will find the apps option, tap on it and select the app management. Wait until all the apps are loaded here. You need to search in the messaging. Here you need to search in the messages and get access to this page where you need to tap on manage notification. The message notification is set on allow notification. If it is toggle off like this, then you just need to tap on allow notification and toggle on the message notification. Go back again and you need to tap on storage uses and clear all the cache. Go back again and again search the Facebook. Once you are access to this page of the Facebook, you just need to tap on storage usage and clear all the cache from here. Go back again and you need to tap on the permission. Once you are access to this page, then you need to allow all the apps permission here. Go back and you need to tap on manage notification of the Facebook and toggle on the allow notification. Go back again, and if this also does not resolve your problem, then once you need to restart your phone and go to the Facebook again. Facebook login code has already been sent via SMS on my mobile phones. Here we need to enter the code that has recently received on the phone number via SMS, and you need to tap on the continue and easily log in into the Facebook. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.